Good morning, folks. Here's an overview of what we'll be expecting of you for chemistry, AP or dual credit during the next 2 weeks. In Schoology, I've created a folder March 30th through April 10th. You can see the screenshot of the chemistry AP Schoology page, but it should look the same in the dual credit Schoology page with this folder at the top. Inside that folder, I've created a frequently asked questions folder, and so this is to hopefully avoid having to repeat answers. So if you have a question about the assignments, these are the different assignments here: integrated rate laws, method of initial rates, and so forth. If you have a question about a particular assignment, you might post it in there in that discussion, the appropriate discussion. If you email it to me, that's fine also, and I will probably post it inside the appropriate discussion. Post the question and the answer. There's a great resource that's being developed that's available to you. The College Board, even if you're in dual credit, you can access this through YouTube. The College Board is preparing an instructional series for each of its AP classes, and AP Chemistry has its own channel. Here's the top of the page shown in the screenshot. If you scroll down, you'll see there's a set of science channels, and AP Chemistry has its own channel. 5 videos have been uploaded so far. Probably one is ongoing right now. And I think they're starting the beginning of the course series right now. So there's an excellent, they'll be archived. You don't have to be watching them live to get them. They'll be archived there at that YouTube channel. We're staying on schedule. ASU is not changing its deadlines. That's for the dual credit folks. For the AP folks, the AP test will still be administered, but there are a few changes that I think are going to be beneficial to you as a test taker. The AP test will be administered online. It will consist of only free response questions, and it's going to be limited to 45 minutes. If we are still on quarantine, not able to come back to school when this test is administered, you're going to have to take it at home on some device. If you don't have an appropriate device, you need to, or internet access, you need to talk to Ms. Pratt. You need to contact Ms. Pratt, Ms. Julie Pratt at school, to see if she can line you up some resources. Also, concerning that AP test, it's not going to cover everything that's on the entire AP curriculum. The last thing we need to cover that's going to be on the test is chemical kinetics. They still expect you to receive instruction over the material that the test won't cover, but you already have, because we covered one of the units in a different order than they did. So you're already there. So today I didn't put a I didn't put a slide in here for it, but today you're supposed to be completing old online assignments that you didn't complete. If you're done with those, you can move on to the galvanic cells Schoology that's available right now. I've created a playlist for electrochemical cells, and I think the first 2 of those will be the ones that are appropriate for the galvanic cells assignment. Also available and due by April 1st is electrolysis, a Schoology assignment. I went over this in class with you all, and but here is the URL. It's a Chemistry at Purdue website. I took the questions basically from that site and just altered them a little bit so you could have different numbers at different times when you take the quiz online. And by the way, it's going to count as a daily grade, not a quiz grade. So then the 2 pertinent videos that you want to watch from Mr. Groves that are in the playlist, the electrochemistry playlist, are the 2 that are called electrolysis calculations and electrolysis of water. Then April 2nd through the 10th, you can see what's on the docket. There will be posted soon, hopefully by the end of today, but things are stacking up on me. I'm not sure I'll get there. There will be a gas laws and equilibrium Schoology assignment posted, and that'll be due by the 2nd. Soon after that, a solubility product constants assignment in Schoology, and that'll be due by the 3rd. Then next week, we're starting the chemical kinetics new material I'll have a PowerPoint with a video to describe everything you need for the Intro to Chemical Kinetics, which will be a Schoology assignment, the method of initial rates, which will be a Schoology assignment, and the integrated rate laws, which will be a Schoology assignment. Beyond this, the administration at Friendship has recommended a kind of a schedule for you. You don't have to follow, there's no law requiring you to do this, but it's probably a good idea to just have a schedule. I don't know if you've experienced this, but I did during spring break when I didn't really operate according to a schedule. I squandered a lot of time. So having some kind of a schedule should help you not waste time. So here you go. I'll let you read it for yourself. You can pause the video if you need to, and here's the second part of it. So I think those come with good recommendations, and I wish you well. Have a good day, have a good 2 weeks, and I'll check in with you later via some kind of technology means. Bye.